We get asked every day here at Dent Pro of Sacramento, what is paintless dent repair and can you fix this dent on my vehicle? One of the most frustrating things is you get a new car or a new car to you, or even an older car that you have and you get a dent. A dent can happen in many different ways, from a tree branch or acorns falling on your vehicle to you go to a grocery store and someone hits you with a shopping cart or opens their door into you. A very frustrating incident for sure, and that's why Dent Pro of Sacramento exists. So what is paintless dent repair? Paintless dent repair is a mixture of a skill and an art form where our technicians actually manipulate the metal on the vehicle back to pre-accident condition. We do this in a variety of ways. One of the main ways that we do it is that we get a metal rod on the back side of the dent and we slowly massage the dent out from the inside out. It's not one big push, it's a series of either hundreds or thousands of pushes that slowly massage that dent back out to flat. One of the other options that we have is we can actually take a hot glue and glue it to a tab and then glue that tab to the vehicle, and with a variety of different pulling tools we can actually slowly pull the dent out to flat. One of the other options that we have is we can use a series of hammers and knockdowns to push that metal that sometimes is protruding outward back to flat. So between pushing on the back side of the dent, pulling the dent out, and then tapping the dent back in, with those options that we have in our tool belt, we can actually manipulate the metal back to flat without doing any repainting or any changing of the vehicle in any way. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more educational videos, then like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about dent repair, then feel free to call us or text us at 916-665-4977. And just remember, if you see a dent, see Dent Pro.